Next, the y is at one location, okay, and so on. Let's take up to the n. So n will be at the fifth location. Great. And there's a space. So we could say the space is at sixth location, and so on. So if somebody asks you the zeroth location, you will say, yes, it's P, capital P for sure. The sixth location is for sure a space. Okay, great. You can see over here. The first location or index is Y. Okay. When you put only colon, it is going to give you the exact total full answer. But when you write the term like this, so what is the meaning of that? Suppose if I write A colon n, this is going to be A2 n minus 1. A2 n minus 1. What is the meaning of that? It starts from 1 and n into 5 because it is given as 6. So start from 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A space will also going to come. Okay, now up to 5. So till n will going to come. Okay, great. So now there's a negative indexing is also possible in Python. So how the negative indexing work? So the t is basically at the location minus 1. Then we have s at minus 2. Then we have e at minus 3 and so on. After that space is a space. First space is at minus 5. Great. And so on. So when I write from at minus 1, it will be t. At minus 2, it will be s. When you write colon colon minus 1, it basically reverses the string. So you can check out whether the string is palindrome or not using the reverse operation. It is doing a reverse operation in just one command. Great. And you can check out whether the P is available in the VA or not. Small p is not available, so it is going to say false. Capital P is there inside a Python is best, so it is going to say true. So now we have two different strings, east and west. Now I can add these two, that is concatenation process, that is east and west, or you can just give a space over here and okay, now east plus west. Okay, east and west. Suppose you have one VR that is Rama. I have intentionally given a space over here. You can see I can just multiply it with 3 times. So the Rama, Rama, Rama will going to come for 3 times. Okay, now we have the new string that is old is I like you. And I'm going to replace the like word with love. So now the new will be I love you. Great. So like has been replaced with love. You can convert this I love you into the upper character and you can convert this I love you into the lower character. You can use a concept of capitalized, so I will be capitalized. You can take a name equal to new equal to language and you can just split from A. So wherever there is a A available, the total spelling will be separated. Great. So now suppose we have A equal to hello. I can check the length of A, that is 5 for sure. I can just add G with each and every, that is joining. You can just put a space over here and the Python will be separated with a space. That is also possible. You can join with an underscore also. Yes, very amazing. We can do a lot of operation on the string. Suppose we have a string hello world hello. I can just count out how many O are there in the hello world hello. It's for sure 3. Okay. So now I can check out how many O are there between 0 to 5. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So I can check out that also. So that will be only 1 0 is available. Sorry, 1 O is available between 0 to 5. I can count out the word also. How many hellos are there in hello world hello? For sure it is 2. Okay. So now I'm taking a new string a equal to hello world and I'm checking what is the index of O. So the first index of O can be trace out. The second O index we have to write a separate program for that. But the first index we can directly track out. Great. We can find out the number L in the hello world. It is 3. We can just split hello world wherever there is a space. So if you have a space, it will be directly splitted. Suppose we have the string equal to www.google.com. I can check the google.com is end with .com or it is going to say true. Is it ending with .net? It is going to say false. What is the length, total length of our google.com? It is 14. Okay, now suppose we have a lot of exclamation mark hello. Okay, and I just want to remove this all exclamation mark, that is called stripping. So when you write L strip, left hand side all strip will be removed. You can check out. Now suppose you have a hello and exclamation marks on right side and you want to remove that. That is possible with R strip. Great. Suppose you have a lot of exclamation mark on the left side and right side. You can do with 2 times L strip and R strip. But the best way is to directly go for a strip. So wherever there is a exclamation mark, it will be removed from left side and right side. So a lot of operations can be done on string using Python. The programming language which can work on a string very nicely is called as a best programming language. And Python can do a lot of operation which you have seen on a string. That's why the Python is the best programming language to learn in this